Hey guys, this is Jeff and Edwin from Best Price Nutrition. You can shop online at BestPriceNutrition.com. That's where you can sign up for our email list, which will get you some great deals, coupons, new sale announcements, new product announcements. You can also sign up for our SMS, and you'll get those same announcements even quicker. Lastly, social media. We're on Facebook, we're on Instagram, so definitely follow us there. And if you can, right down here, there's a little bell. You can ring it with your little mouse. That will allow you to follow us, and you'll get all the latest videos. So today, we are here to talk about the Trifecta Kit. I've got Edwin here because he is an absolute pro at all the ingredients that I can't even pronounce on the back of here. So Edwin, what is the Trifecta Kit by LG Science?
So the Trifecta Kit's going to be like a pretty much just a basic type of pro-hormone kit. So it's got 3 of the active ingredients compared to most of the other kits, which give you, I think, about 5. One, of course, being the Form XT, which is the PCT, like all the other kits have. This one, I don't really see how you would need it, but I mean, overall, like I said, it's still safe to have it in a kit anyway. The other ones I have in here is going to be the M1D, and then the Epi-Andro 50 as well too. So, like in the previous video with the bulking kit, the M1D is going to be the 3-beta hydroxy, which is just a pure form of DHEA. Basically, helps. It's a precursor to a natural steroid that our bodies will naturally produce, which will overtake any kind of powered hormone in the body. So again, for men, it helps to just basically give you that firm increase of the DHEA sulfates that our body makes, and as well as testosterone as well. For women, DHEA is more so used as a hormone balancing substance, basically. So this in specific is supposed to help with just basic increase of testosterone itself. In that, you're also going to get the choline for scoli, which does help with body composition. You also get the aromatase and the resveratrol as well, so helping to maintain water retention when it comes to estrogen buildup, which this should almost be none realistically, and then keeping your heart health going as well too during cycle. So,
and you got the Epi.
Yeah, the Epi-Andro 50, which is a combination of pine pollen, which is a natural form of an Epi-Androsterone, which is I believe it's a form of DHT.
Cool.
Yeah, so again, DHT, dehydrotestosterone is going to be, I think it's 4 times stronger than actual testosterone itself, without any estrogen conversion as well. And then it's also combined with epicatogen, which is a plant substance, which is supposed to be
well, it's good for muscle building. Yeah. I use it all year round for muscle building, for recovery. That's why I like it, and I'm guessing that's part of the reason I put it in here.
Yeah, yeah.
So and then you got, of course, the PCT. So there's a bulking kit, there is the cutting kit, and then there's
a battle hardener.
So why would someone choose the Trifecta Kit?
Honestly, I feel like the Trifecta, like I said, is just their basic kit. So I mean, if you guys are ever too worried about trying out pro hormones or something like that, I mean, I think this would be a great first timer kit. Okay. Makes it a lot easier. Again, it's only 3 of the substances, realistically 2, and then you got the PCT. So I mean, you don't have to worry about all the other ones to keep up with. So if you kind of want to get your feet wet with trying pro hormones, I would say this would be a great one to start off with.
That's actually a great point. Yeah. So if you're a beginner just getting into it, the other thing that's nice with these kits that LG comes out with is that everything you need to know is on the back of the box. I know if you're taking like multiple pro hormones, you could be confused by when to take it, how to take it, how long to take it. On the back, there's a chart that tells you by week how many of each you need to take, how many doses, and at what time to take those doses. So it breaks it completely down for you, makes it absolutely simple. But still, if you have questions, you can always contact us, and we're happy to help. One question we get, a lot of times you won't feel anything until week 2 or week 3. Can I take 2 of these kits?
Yes, this one I would definitely say take 2 kits of it, just to kind of see how I've said this in a previous video. One question I get all the time is how quickly is this product going to work for me? That's a very, very vague question because it varies person to person. I can tell them about my personal experiences, but when it comes down to telling them about whether it's going to kick in within a day, 3 days, 1 week, 3 weeks, a full kit. Staying on the safe side, I would say just to grab 2 kits. And like I said, this is a very simplified one, so you could definitely run a full 2 kits of this. Go with the PCT right afterwards too, and then if you wanted to jump into a different stack, jump to a different kit that you want to choose from.
Yeah. So you buy 2 kits, you'll be on cycle for 8 weeks, and then then you have your 4-week PCT, and from there we take a break or go right into the next cycle. But again, great beginner kit, like you said.
Absolutely.
Women, what do you think?
I would probably stay away from that, only because of the M1D. Like I said, it's a pure form of DHEA. Don't want to throw off your hormone balances at all, to be honest with you. Like I said, I think the one best prohormone that a woman can actually probably get into would probably be a 19-nor. We can definitely make a separate video for that.
Okay.
Kind of go over things like that as well. So,
excellent. Okay. So so guys, if you do have questions about the Trifecta kit or this kit versus the others, you can post a question down below, or we got live chat on our website. You can call us. We're always here to help you. We want to get you guys the safest kit possible, especially if you're a beginner. But I think if you have any other questions, just let us know. Jeff and Edwin, thanks guys.
Thanks.